Listen, you seen that title in that thumbnail, and we're gonna get busy today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this copycat Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. Man, you're gonna love this one, especially if you love Cracker Barrel like me. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our hash browns, we have our shredded cheese, butter, onions. We're gonna use black pepper, some freshly chopped garlic, some cream of chicken soup right here. This is the Campbell's brand, sour cream, seasoned salt, and paprika. That's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. So to get started, you wanna make sure you have a large bowl. You're gonna add your onions here, along with your garlic, your seasoned salt, black pepper, paprika, and you wanna use 1 cup of your cheese. We're gonna go ahead and get that mixed in like this. Next, take your sour cream, add it, along with your cream of chicken soup. We're gonna get this mixed well. All right, once you have that mixed well, you're gonna add your hash browns and your melted butter. And again, you're gonna mix this till it's well combined. All right, once you got it well combined, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven and we're gonna bring our baking dish over. All right, so we're gonna take our baking dish, gonna grease that up. We're gonna add our potato mixture. And we're just gonna get that spread out evenly in our baking dish. Guys, just like that. Just that simple. All we got left now is to sprinkle our last cup of cheese on the top. All right, so now that we've added our cheese, all we gotta do, guys, put it in this oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna let this baby bake for 45 to 60 minutes until those potatoes are done and that cheese is bubbly. So depending on how hot your oven gets, you may need to do it about 45 to 50 minutes. Some may have to go 60. All right, let's get it in the oven. And this is what we have after about 50 minutes in the oven. Like I say, you wanna make sure that that cheese browns on top, it's bubbly, and those potatoes are cooked all the way through, which they are. We're gonna go ahead, get this baby plated up, and head into quality control. There you have it, copycat Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. Go ahead, let me know what you think about this. Drop it in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Listen, we gotta bring this to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. Let's go ahead, let's not waste no time. Exactly what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, man. Oh, man. Y'all already know. Cheesy, hash brownie. You can definitely make this as a side, or you can just eat it as a meal. To me, I can just sit here and eat this as a meal. And guess what? You can level this up. You can add some more vegetables in it, like some green peppers or some red peppers, totally up to you. You know you can add them jalapenos in there. You can also add some bacon in there, add a little sausage in there. However you want to do it, you can level this baby up. But today, we doing the Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole, so we ain't add all that in there. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, it's hot in this kitchen. I'm not a chef, just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.